Welcome to another video. Welcome to the channel. Tuesday, the 7th of January 2025. Third snow day here in Kidsgrove. About 2 inches again. Not much traffic. Dubbank School closed. Not too sure about the others. Let's go and have a quick look. So as you can see, 8 o'clock in the morning. Side roads really bad. And nobody about. All the trees are looking pretty this morning with the snow on there. And this is what Shakespeare Close and Windmill Avenue looks like. I'd like to attempt come down Windmill Avenue. Definitely a winter wonderland again this morning. Miller's View, well salted at the bottom. A little bit slippy up there, but passable. And check out Longrow. So today we're lucky to work from home again. I wouldn't have liked to have ventured out. Again, you see the ice on these roads. Not looking good. Cars are getting up there, but definitely on the slippy side. And he's just got stuck at the top there. So yeah, Ravenscliff Road, a lot of ice. Not looking good up there. But Mount Road and the infamous Kidsgrove Bank, pretty much clear. A little bit slippy. All looking clear for the commute this morning. There we go, only a short video this morning. Got to get to work now, earn some pennies, but just thought I'd let you know what it looks like on this Tuesday morning. If you've enjoyed this very short video, of course, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you soon.